Going public today is different than it was during the dot-com era. The IPO landscape has changed significantly in the last decade. We've all seen the compression in the markets, decreasing or shifting merger and acquisition activity, faltering businesses, and more scrutiny on balance sheets and company cash, as well as access to capital. Add to this the multitudes of new requirements and regulations, such as the Jobs Act, and organizations quickly come to realize a successful IPO takes significant planning and more effort in today's economic climate, especially around the internal controls infrastructure, internal audit, and other risk and governance functions. Getting through all these requirements and delivering a successful IPO is a challenging and daunting process. PwC understands these complexities and requirements and can assist companies in executing a successful IPO. Our internal audit practice specializes in understanding the requirements relating to internal controls, including those of the Jobs Act, Sarbanes-Oxley, and other related issues a new public company will face on a global basis. Preparing a company for IPO readiness from a SOX or internal audit perspective is much more than simply testing a company's internal controls over their financial reporting. An organization needs to ensure they have designed and deployed appropriate detective, preventative, and entity-level controls to mitigate key risks for the organization. In addition, the internal audit function must have a robust methodology and risk-based approach to identify and review the key risk areas of the organization and provide visibility and an independent point of view on the organization's control environment for the Board Audit Committee. Based on the most current SEC, PCAOB, and other regulatory requirements, and our extensive experience as internal audit and SOX advisors, we make sure companies are ready with a proper board and audit committee composition, corporate policies and procedures, and an appropriate internal audit function in place early in the process. Our specialist teams in the US and globally assist clients in implementing and complying with internal controls and regulatory compliance requirements for IPOs. With PwC's assistance, clients are able to navigate the regulatory complexities, implement appropriate internal controls, build or enhance their internal audit function, reduce costly internal time spent preparing for an IPO, avoid overstressing their staff, and remain focused on their business. PwC, assisting our clients with IPO readiness, compliance, and success.